Nice dress.
Okay, I don't know how to do this. You just lift her up maybe, or do I just lift her down?
Eh,
Like that?
you- yeah, yeah.
That's it.
She's so cute. Mommy and Daddy are playing with you now.
Well, it's 3 to 6. It's not. It's big. It's 3 to 6, so it shouldn't be tight.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
That wasn't so bad, that one.
Okay, and a cardi. Oh, cream for her face. And a cardi. I've got that cardi as well. I've got all the cardies.
Give this a go.
Hello, baby. You're looking very pretty in your dress. Yes. Mommy bought you this lovely dress. Yes.
No, you don't like cream. I know that. I don't know. Yeah. Should I do it now or?
Hello, baby.
Nice skin.
Oh. You.
Yeah.
Yeah, happy with mommy again. Oh.
Can I go brush my teeth now? Oh.